Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin is about to shock the world. Here is why. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin about to shock the world, and particularly why. Plus, Bitcoin's definitely hitting $1 million now. Before we get into it, guys, like the video, come join us on Twitter at @CryptoLove, and of course, subscribe to the most awesome channel on all of YouTube. And then when you're done that, subscribe to this one too. Now, Bitcoin today, Fear and Greed Index, 77, down from yesterday, 78, but still in extreme greed territory. The overall market sideways, Bitcoin at 71,218, Ethereum at 3807, BNB at 702, Solana 171, XRP 52 cents, Dogecoin 16 cents, Toncoin 752, and Cardano 46 cents. And Bitcoin, look at this. It is about to break out from this inverse head and shoulders, right below it right now, but it's sitting above the top of this bull flag. Now, for those of you who don't know, these are the two targets. This first target, $91,000, would be the target from this inverse head and shoulders. Breaking through there, we would be in new price tour territory. Anyways, price discovery, 109,000 is the target of the bull flag. So either way, it looks like Bitcoin price is going up. Now, recently, Bitcoin ETFs saw $218 million of inflows, straight 18 days of inflows. Money is coming back into Bitcoin, and I see a lot of questions out there. Why is Bitcoin price not going up if money is coming into ETFs? Because you have to think about what actually drives price up. It's buys and sells on exchanges. All of these ETFs buys are over the counter. They do not affect price. All they do is influence the supply of Bitcoin, which is decreasing dramatically. And then once demand spikes, once all of the retail traders start buying on exchanges, oh my goodness, price is going to go up dramatically and very, very quickly. Right now, the world has never seen ETF flows like this before. When Bitcoin is trading at deep six figures, it'll look very obvious in hindsight. I tend to agree. Right now, US ETFs are acquiring over 200% of the mined Bitcoin in 2024. This is how much is mined. This is how much the ETFs are acquiring. And just another image to make it more clear for you on a day-to-day basis. On June 4th, ETFs purchased 12,500 Bitcoin. Only 450 Bitcoin are mined. Where are they going to buy all these Bitcoin from? That's a very important thing to think about, and that's what's going to drive price up eventually. Now, right now, if we take a look, money printing has begun. This is global liquidity versus Bitcoin price. We see a breakout of global liquidity breaking previous all-time highs as they are printing money. What's the hardest asset in the world? Oh, yes, it's not like puka shells or whatever. It's Bitcoin. There's only ever 21 million of them. So that being said, we are right now at this cross for Bitcoin. That every 4 years, the cross of this signals the final parabolic run for Bitcoin. You can see this in 2020, in 2016, in 2012. Well, it is just around the corner. The good news is it hasn't crossed yet. For all of you who missed buying at $15,000 or $20,000 or $40,000 or whatever it is, guess what? The final parabola is coming. And if you check out yesterday's video, it looks very much like we're going to have a blow-off top this time instead of just a wick-off top like 2020. If we take a look before versus after, again, we have the whole after. We're only like 47, 48 days after the halving. There's a lot of time to go after the halving. So buckle in and be patient. Right now, this cycle is looking very, very similar to the 2014 to 2017 cycle, which is great because that was an awesome cycle. And based on that, we would have a lot more to go. Look at this. This is all the way touching up to maybe 1.2 million. Maybe. We can only hope. But for right now, Bitcoin is breaking out of this bullish megaphone pattern. Generally, bullish megaphone patterns break to the upside, and they are somewhat bullish pattern. Right now, targeting somewhere 103 to 122, which is like those numbers we were talking about earlier. But that may just be the beginning of what's to come, because this chart, the last time this happened, Bitcoin went from $10,000 to $69,000. This is taking a look at the Bitcoin realized cap for new whales. You can see the new whales here in purple. When there's a spike, that was when Bitcoin went from $10,000 to $69,000. Look at this. We have a spike once again of Bitcoin whales, meaning likely we're going to have another spike in Bitcoin price. Not only that, but apparently banks like Standard Chartered here saying that if Trump wins the presidency, Bitcoin will reach $150,000. Oh my goodness. And more than that, we now have proof that Bitcoin will hit $1 million. Literally everything this guy has said about Bitcoin has been wrong. So if he's saying there's no way Bitcoin's going to $1 million, ooh, can't wait for that to happen. It's not too far away. As a matter of fact, based on this chart right here, which one? This one could even happen this cycle. So that's all for this episode. If you enjoyed it, like the video, come join us on Twitter, @cryptolove. And of course, subscribe to this channel. Also, YouTube thinks you should check out that video right there. So take a look and let me know what you think. I'll catch you later. Have a good one. I love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.